In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your shift lock is not working in Roblox. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Roblox application and then click on the Roblox icon in the top left-hand side. Then click on Settings from the top navigation, and first of all, you need to ensure that Shift Lock switch is turned on. Now do bear in mind that if you get a message here saying by developer and you have no way to switch it on, that means it's disabled in this particular game mode by the developer. So once you turn this on, you then need to come down to movement mode, and you need to ensure that both keyboard plus the mouse is selected like so. And then you can save these changes and try seeing if that now fixed the issue. If that doesn't work, what you'll need to do instead is head over to your Start menu, search for Settings, and then click on the Settings window. From the left-hand side, select Gaming, and then click on Game Bar. Now sometimes if you have Game Bar enabled, this can interfere with the shift block in Roblox. So what you want to do is just turn this option off like so, and then you'll need to restart your computer. And once your computer's restarted, you can then head back over to the Roblox application, and your shift lock should now be working without any issues. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.